Welcome. Welcome to our second attempt at making eggs. I think a lot of people were wondering, Seb, why are you posting you messing up eggs? Well, listen, nothing in life goes perfectly. We all know that. And my goal was not to show you how to make the perfect egg, but rather the struggles of making eggs for the first time in a skillet. Now, luckily, I got some really good advice from Naomi. Hello, Naomi. And from Simon. Simon. So we're going to use that advice today. So Naomi's advice was, don't use oil, use butter. I should have thought of that. Butter, can't go wrong. Let's take a nice big slab of butter, put it in there. Skillet seems a little too hot. And Simon says, don't make it too hot. All right, there is no real purpose to these videos other than to bring a smile to your face. If I'm able to get a smile from any of my viewers, then I will keep going because that makes me happy. That's all I'm trying to do, make you smile as I go through the challenges of life, like making eggs. So why did I film myself making my first attempt at the eggs and them not coming out perfectly? Well, the intent, again, is just, nothing in life goes as planned, right? And I think you have to be able to laugh at yourself sometimes and just take things, relax. It's okay if the eggs don't come out right. What matters is the experience, and I can tell you that Amy and I both enjoyed making that video. And you know what? She ate the eggs, they were fine. I cleaned the skillet, and we're back at it again. And we'll continue until they get better and better and better. And what I like about this is that it's actually allowed my viewers, you, to contribute. So my eggs are getting better through the community involvement and through people making suggestions. And everybody has different pieces they're adding to this, which gives us so many different ways and so many different directions of getting to eggs. Listen, eggs will never be perfect. What is perfect? I think what makes something perfect is, in fact, the imperfections. Some people have been asking me, why are you making YouTube videos? Are you trying to be the next YouTuber? No, I'm not trying to be the next YouTuber. I have a full-time career. I'm okay. I'm just doing these videos to make you smile. I think we've had a rough 2020 year, and this is my way of staying connected with my friends and family. And I'm certainly not forcing you to watch these videos, but I appreciate those that do and that leave comments and feedback, because it allows me to get to this point where maybe we'll end up with more perfect eggs. Get outside of your comfort zone, try different things, have fun, enjoy the experience in the moment, not the results. Amy and I have a lot of fun making these videos, and I think we'll continue making them so long as it brings a smile to your face. Now let's see how these eggs come out. Simon, Naomi, those are imperfectly perfect.
Look at the pan.
Beautiful.